Assalamualaikum, Dr. Ikrimah bin Syabani. My name is Nur Hashafika binti Ahmad Jahid. My metric number is AN190095. Today I will present to you my individual assignment. First of all, I would like to start up my presentation with introduction. This assignment is part of the microcontroller application course requirement. It is more focused on hardware design and programming. So each student must have his or her schematic diagram and flowchart design for program development through a poster and video presentation about 2 questions that been given. In question 1, it required students to write a program to convert hexadecimal numbers E to F into the decimal format using the decimal number called hex num and the output number called take num. For 1A question, it asks students to using a program description language to show our algorithm. Program description language is free format English-like text which describes the flow of control and data in a program, but must use start statement with a begin and ending the statement with an end. For question 1B, it asks students to draw the flowchart for the program development in 1A. The flowchart starts with begin and go to the hex number, either A to F alphabet, and if yes is alphabet, it will go to the that number. If the hex number is A, then the that number will present 10. Then it will continue until F that present 15, then we'll go to the end. Question 2 asks students to draw a schematic diagram and list the steps using a PSC18F4550 microcontroller controls a 2-digit multiplex 7-segment LED to display a fixed number. In addition, 3D prototype is used to design the schematic diagram for this question. This is my schematic circuit diagram. Next, I will go to the question 2B that requires students to list down the steps for the PSC18F microcontroller to control the display of number 53. Step 1, digit 1 and digit 2 are equivalent to bits 0 and 1 at port C. Step 2, the value of the display 53 will be stored in the CNT variable. Step 3, the statement is used endless loop. And step 4, inside the loop, the MSD of the number is determined by dividing the number by 10. Step 5, the display function is used to find the bit pattern to transmit to port B. Step 6, digit 2 is enabled by setting digit 2 as 1, which causes 10 ms of delay. Step 7, digit 2 still disabled and the number's LCD is computed and sent to port B using the mode operation %. Step 8, simultaneously, digit 1 is enabled by setting digit 1 as 1 and the delay is set to 10 ms. Finally, in step 9, digit 1 is disabled and the program continues indefinitely. Now I will go to the project 3D prototype design that use draw schematic diagram in 3A to draw it. It have 9 resistor, 2 push button, LED, and PLC controller. In conclusion, student learns how to create a schematic diagram and a flowchart for program development using program description language PDL that always start with a begin and end with an end for any statement. Students also learn how to convert hexadecimal integers into decimal format using the A to F software. For PLC programming language, the input number hex num is transformed to a decimal number take num as an output number. Finally, students able to build a schematic circuit diagram and 3D prototype using Portrait software for 2-digit multiplex 7-segment LED that use a PSC8F4550 microcontroller to show a fixed number for multiplex LED application. Thank you for hearing.